So first we're gonna start with Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. And I want to try this red on so bad. So we're gonna try on the red. This is that's the tip of the brush. And let's see. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, you know what? Okay, yeah. Ooh, yeah, look at that, look at that. Ooh, that is fire. Okay. Oh, girl, look at that, look at that. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay. I like this. So the next color we'll do is the uncuffed. We'll do the uncuffed next. And I just zoomed out so you guys can see it better. A little better with my face in view and my head completely. Ooh, this is so cute. I like this one. This one is nice. So far I like both. I had a lipstick this shade actually. But again, these are Fenty's lip stains. So you guys can see it. This is the uncuffed. Really pretty. Okay. So excited to finally try on some Fenty Beauty. Next we'll try on our Too Faced.